Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this dresser look more modern. So first things first, we're going to take off all of this extra clutter off of the dresser. Now that everything's off the dresser, we're going to clean it with some Mrs. Mayer spray. Now that that's done, we're going to place the table runner on the dresser. Now we're going to add these decoratives that are 2 boxes and a bowl from Target. Now we're going to add the ceramic vases, the eucalyptus plants, and these books. If you're looking for any of these items, they'll be down in the caption below with the links. And here you have it. Here's the finished product. These boxes that we got from Target can be opened up and used for storage. And these books are also used to storage any of your items.